It's a beautiful fall Saturday afternoon, and just the time to show you a neighbor friend's old vehicle. This all indications being that it's a 1929 Rio, and probably a 1-ton truck, maybe 1.5. Do a bit of a walk around here. Some writing on the door. It's a little hard to make out. It's a heavy-duty vehicle. You can see that this must have been a dump box. Heavy frame. Been cut off at the back here. A lot of dump trucks, a lot of trucks that were made into dump trucks were truncated there. Anyway, let's see if we can just get a look at the engine here. Flathead 6, straight. And the interior, what's left of it, remnants of a steering wheel. One of the things about a Rio would be the internal framework being wood. It's very hard to find patterns for. A Rio would be a rare vehicle. And so all of these pieces of wood could be used as patterns, but it doesn't seem to be complete. And there's the ID plate with the serial number. Looks like the visor. So my neighbor friend graciously let us film this. He doesn't know if he's ever going to fix it. But I'll tell you a little story, side story. There's the gauge cluster. When I was 7 years old, my dad gave me a 1930 Model A. He had a lot of old cars, and we lived north of Toronto. So we moved when I was 10 to this area. And we only kept a couple of old cars. He kept mine, the one he had given me. But when we moved here, I didn't see any old cars, vehicles, anywhere. A couple that were on the road, but I didn't see much of that either. So, I asked my dad why that was, and he didn't know. And at 10 years of age, I was going around looking for these old cars, and I couldn't find anything. I think I found a Model A rim once. But the thing is, this vehicle that was in an old broken down sawmill was less than a mile from my new home. Now, if I'd have known about any old car in my teens, I'd have been after it. So, the owner of this saw it there about 2 years ago. And it's almost 50 years ago we moved here. We've been there all this time, right under my nose. Anyway, now it's about a mile the other direction in his backyard. And he plans on just preserving it as is. So, thought it was interesting. I thought I'd share this with you on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.